Dajaj Bel Laban, chicken with yogurt. A main dish from Saudi Arabia. Serves 2. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Fry the onions in the oil, add the chicken, and stir. Add spices, salt, and the split chili peppers. Cook over low heat, stirring occasionally, adding water as required. Step 2. In a separate pan, beat the yogurt and a little water with a whisk. Bring to a boil, stirring constantly. Remove the yogurt from the heat and set aside. Step 3. When the chicken is cooked, add the yogurt and continue to simmer on low heat. Step 4. Serve in a deep dish along with white rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.